Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the Libre Office, which is a free alternative to Microsoft Office Suite. So if you don't want to purchase the Microsoft Office and you want an alternative which is free, then Libre could be the best option for you. So for that, you just have to simply open a browser and simply search for Libre or LibreOffice. Then you will get different links. Then you have to go with this one, which is the authentic for LibreOffice. You will be onto its website. If you want to explore, you can explore it and see what it provides. On the top, you will see the option for download. Go there and go with the first option. Then you will see this option for the Windows. You can click and select the option based on your system. Click on download, and after that, the downloading will start. Once the downloading gets started, then it will take few minutes to download. You can simply check it from there. Once the downloadation is done, then you have to click onto it and the installation will start. The installation will take hardly like a minute or two. It will show you some of the options. You have to simply keep going with the next or like getting agree to their terms and condition, and after that the installation will go. And once the installation gets completed, then you will see its icon on your desktop. So simply click on finish. Then you have to simply go to your desktop, and from there you will see its icon for LibreOffice. Click onto it and it will open. So this will be the first interface that you see. On the left side, you can see its different products that are similar to Microsoft Office like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Paint, and other options. So whatever you want to use, you have to simply click onto it. Like I'm going with the similar to the Microsoft Word. Once I get there, you can see it is very much similar to Microsoft Word. On the top, we have almost the same options as we have in the Microsoft Word. If you go to the other options, like in the new, we have to go to this option, Excel. You will notice that its interface is also very similar to Microsoft Office. So all of its products are actually copy of the Microsoft, but these are for free. So you can create a presentation, an Excel file, or a document, or you can also use its other products. Everything is there. The options are very similar to the Word. Even at the task bar, you can see its icon are there, which is similar to the Microsoft Office ones. So you can use anything for free and can create your files. So this is all about LibreOffice, which is the free alternative to Microsoft Office. You can just simply download and install it for free. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.